Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to quickly sign out of Zoom on all devices to keep your account secure. Open the Zoom desktop app. Click on your profile picture. And select Settings. In the Settings window, click the My Account tab. Scroll down and click Sign Me Out of All Sessions. Sign out of all sessions. Click Sign Out to confirm. You are now signed out from all devices linked to your Zoom account. You have signed out of Zoom everywhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.